Oh, wow. Hello, it's Zimri, your local neighborhood UPS delivery guy. It's been a long time since I only made one video a week. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get back to 5 videos a week. So come back tomorrow. Hold me to it. Oh, welcome to the 4th chicken dance of Design Chicken. Last time, Andy took on Robin on a landing page design, and Andy was the winner with this design. Double snaps for our winner. Good job, Andy. That takes our king to 3-0. The question for today is, can he retain his title schmeidel, or will he be criedle-weidled? That's exactly correct. Introducing the participant chickens. In the red corner, we have the King of England himself. Andy, the space asteroid, Barnard. Can we get triple snaps? Our new opponent today looking to dethrone and dizzle. His name, ID, the multi-talented Sing. Welcome to the arena, ID. Glad to have you here. In today's competition, they will be making some packaging design. They have to make a magical product that gives you some magical ability. And they have to create a cohesive brand that has 3 different flavors. I linked them to 2 mock-ups they could use. They both ended up using the same mock-up. Coincidence? I think not. There's some foul play at work here. We'll get down to the bottom of it. So without further ado, let's start with our friend ID as he takes on our King Chicken. Looks like ID has also upgraded. You know, oh wait, no, I don't think he has. Never mind, I take it back. He just works with a darker. His whole computer setup's just darker. Oh, this is fun. I wonder what we can tell from those logos already. There's my logo. Oh, this will be embarrassing. No. Not for ID or anybody. Oh, look at this. Pattern magic. This project was inspired because lately I've been doing a lot more mocking up of my stuff. So I wanted to see how they do with some package design and using mock-ups. That is a YouTube play button, for sure. So cool. Oh yeah, see? He needs to set his settings to scale the corners. Oh. 1 pill. Did you know that calling someone a pill is an insult? Not that I've ever been called a pill. Oh, sad days. Let's keep that behind us. 1 pill to become your favorite YouTuber. Oh, this is so sweet. Okay. Imagine you take a pill, you become your favorite YouTuber. Do you think you replace your favorite YouTuber so then like you are them and they're gone? Or do you think you become them so you're like a second version of them? So you could technically destroy their life pretending to be them? Wow. This commentary seems a little bit dark. Oh, it's MKBHD. I think it's more like MKB HD, right? High def. Does anybody know what MKB? It's probably his name, right? I actually don't know his name. I watched his interview with Elon Musk. That was pretty fun. I've actually watched a lot of he's so cool. Oh, here we go. Making a 3D pill tablet. I would bet. When I was a kid, I couldn't swallow pills. Ooh, and then I became a man. Actually, I became a llama. I kind of just spit everything out. No. Let me know in the comments below if you ever had trouble swallowing pills, or if you still do. Okay, next one's Pewdiepie. This is Pewdiepie for sure. Brofist. I wonder what, so the specifications are that you have to do like 3 different things so that we get some variation in the branding, make it a little bit more fun. So you can either do 3 like different powers or 3 different flavors. So we'll see if it's So it looks like they're all the same power, but these are like the different flavors. You can be MKB HD or Pewdiepie or Zimri Mayfield. I think if those were the options, I would not choose Zimri. Meme review, Team Crispy. This is awesome. Oh, what will he say for this one? Chicken King. Yeah. And we're pink. Cool. Okay. That's some fun colors. Yes, we're on the pink box. Perfect. Okay. This is cool. So we have a nice little... Yeah, so he wants to create like a section of the box that's stuck out from the back. Like a pop-up. That's kind of cool. Oh, here we go again. The new settings that you can do with all these pattern options. Actually, I don't know if they're new, but pattern options, I used that yesterday on one of my own projects. Oh, I felt so free. I felt like an American eagle, a bald eagle, to be sure. Oh, this is nice. This is a nice little touch. YouTuber pill. Oh, look at that. See how subtle that is, but so much more interest. Oh, that's the video. So, everyone, here are ID's packages. We got Meme Review with Pewdiepie, Team Crispy with MKBHD, and Chicken King with Zimri Mayfield. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Ender says this about his design. YouTubers are superheroes, and their powers come with great responsibilities. Try being a superhero by using YouTuber Pill. One pill to become your favorite YouTuber. Okay, let's hop into Andy Bambi's design, see if he can retain the crown or no. Okay, let's find a fun acronym for Orno. I don't know if you guys watch The Office, but Creed's one of my favorite characters. And I just remember the highlight of him, he just wants to make acronyms. It's the funniest thing ever. So I'm gonna guess it stands for orangutans run nearly overboard. I'm sure Orno stands for something. Hopefully we'll figure it out in the end. But for now, you can leave comments below as the good acronyms for Orno. Orange rhinoceros. Never overemphasizes. Oh, that's cool. How it fits into there. You know, Andy's really, he's really about these like circle, square, shape things. I wonder if there's a term for that, like an arty term. I like it. I dig it. It's pretty cool. Oh, okay. We're going with just circles. Maybe. Oh, there's a copyright symbol. Nope, not copyright. What's it called when you have an R? Oh, I don't know. Let me. It's incredible how not smart I am. But that's something we can change, I hope. Instant healing, flight, and super strength. Okay, between those, oh, I wonder if you can only heal yourself or you get the power to heal anyone. If I could heal anyone, that would be the one I would want. That'd be amazing. I like these colors. These are kind of retro so far. This is nice. Ability enhancing supplements. Awesome. Okay, strength muscle enhancement for 24 horas. How many supplements do you think come in one package? If we go off the number of circles, that would be 17. Well, yeah, it's looking good on the package. I wonder why he decided to not go with the triangles anymore. Or maybe he will come back to it later. We have a purple. I think I've asked this question before, maybe not. Do you think they should combine Illustrator and Photoshop into one thing? I don't think they should, but I could see an argument for it. Okay, this one's flight. Personal gravity removal. That's good. Oh, another question. Do you guys think if somebody grew up on the moon or Mars or somewhere where the gravitational pull is not as strong, do you think they would be taller than normal if they grew up on Earth? I think somebody tried to argue that once. I think it might be true. I don't know. Okay, looks like we're organizing documents. It's very underrated, but a very important step in design. It always amazes me how much about design is like not design related. Like file names and saving and layers and oh my gosh. Imagine, I need to buy I need to buy some AI robot to do all that stuff. That'd be so cool. Oh, you know what? Andy and Ender. Oh, I forgot. I'll say that later. Andy and Ender gave sentences to describe their stuff, so hopefully we get an explanation for what Orno is. Or maybe that's just like generally the brand of the name of the brand. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is Andy's final work, packaging his magical supplements. And this is what he has to say about them. I took some inspiration from the packaging of PG Tips tea bags here in the UK, as it's extremely minimal, but also extremely bold and does a great job of standing out. The process recording turned out a little quicker this time, as this was a much more straightforward idea, and after looking at references and sketching some ideas, it really didn't take long to put together the full concept, as I knew exactly what I wanted to do. Okay, design champs, so here are the product packaging for both Ender and Andy next to each other. Take a look, good long hard look. Here are the 5 categories we will be voting on. Number 1, creativity. Number 2, layout. Number 3, color. Number 4, flavor balance, which I'm defining as there's enough difference in packaging between the 3 powers or flavors while still looking like a cohesive brand. And then number 5, shelf presence. How well the package stands out on a shelf of other products. So go ahead, gather your thoughts, vote in the poll right now to decide who is the chicken dance winner in this round of chicken dancing. Yes, that's right. So the next chicken in line, patiently waiting, mom's spaghetti on her sweater already, is Sabrina. So the winner of this one will take on Sabrina. Will Ender win and become the new king? Or will Andy keep on keeping on? All right, y'all. I will see you tomorrow morning for another design-related video. Stay awesome, possum. I'll see you later, alligator. And remember, life is butterflies and buttercups. Which one are you? All right, bye, guys.